Hi guys, we received this UGREEN USB-C to HDMI 8K cable, which is, really nice because sometimes you got your laptop and you don't have, the HDMI port, so you can get one of these. So let's take it out of the box. It comes with the usual instruction, which is really nice. And here we have the cable. Okay, let's take it out. This. Here it is. Okay, it comes with these velcros, so you can store it more easily. And this is the cable. So it has some nice longitude. Here is the Type-C side, and here is the HDMI side. Okay, so it's a really nice cable. It has some good quality. Okay, so I already connected the cable to the TV, and I've got here the other side, and I've got here my iPad Pro. So what I'm gonna do is plug it in, and as you can see whatever I'm doing in here in my iPad up on here in the TV. And it's really nice because you can do many kinds of stuff. This cable you can even design using to work here in your tablet and project it upon your TV, and you can look even brighter and bigger the image, which is quite nice. So that's why I will actually really recommend this UGREEN USB-C to HDMI cable. See ya!